Musa is arrested, and as always, Sogalezo is blaming himself. Now, the question is Mampo a bit selfish to say, can you let go of that guy because he knew what he was doing? Ajonji Moto Zabanto Aba Ukuluva, and we advised him he didn't want. Is she selfish to say, cut all ties, or family comes first? Is this the part where we have to ukuthi sihlukanise izinto, sihlukanise isimo, cut all ties, lo muntu lo wasifaka ejele yena ngamasibomu, so wena let's focus on us, let's focus kwinto zethu as girlfriend and boyfriend, and let him abolele ejele? Or now family comes first, we cannot do that, singahlukanisa nje, or nibona kanjani bafethu? I don't know. Because now, Sogalezo can't even sleep. Mampo is worried that you can't sleep and I'm going to work. Why are they even fat and setting? Okay, but that's call up. So, Mampo is saying, I'm going to work. And then when you can't sleep, you are restless. And then he says he's thinking of Umusa. Umusa that had an ample time and opportunity to live right because Usoga was advising, Bese and what decided, Impilo yani, yubu gangster. Sekabhadla ijele manje sekusokola abani usoka. Usoka is the one that now utshawa yini ama-chest pain ukuthi mhlampe umzala wami angimenzanga kahle, angimenzanga right. If there was a way to fix this, I need to. Is Mampo selfish? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide Ndima Dekwana. Sanbonan Abshin Molweni Minjani. Hipfukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana kwa hina wa House of Zwide hi kuma ku ri swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that uBrakata, he is willing to go tooth and nail to make sure ukuthi uIsaac uyakhubazeka. However, Pastor Mbumbulu Ezekiel says no. There's a time when you realize ukuthi udlame alisebenzi. Is not every time where we have to use udlame when we want to solve izinto. Sometimes we can use our mouth and the intelligence that we have to sort out things. Sometimes if we go and beat Isaac on elections, then that is a highest form of communication. Unlike going about it the wrong way, yokuthi senze udlame. Kata says, Isaac kahle kahle into understand uqhitha igazi. Chithikazi into understandayo, understand udlame. There's no any other kind of communication that we are going to give him apart from that. And when Ukata left, what got me worried was that when Ezekiel was now talking to his subordinate who goes out looking for money, uyambuza ukuthi uyamthemba yini Ukata, athi angimthembi nakayi-1. Ukata la khona he thinks ukuthi yena nomfundisi Mbumbulu bayi-scheme. They've got this thing going on where they trust each other, they're working together. By Mbumba, that's what he's thinking. But Umfundisi Mbumbulu says, no, I don't trust him. To show that Naye Ukata is on the same boat, not trusting Umfundisi, he then went to the people that are doing the patrolling at Tembisa. He picked up 4 of those and said, you know what, there's a mission that I want us to do, but then this mission is off the record and Umfundisi does not have to know about it. Nobody's going to tell him and nobody needs to ask questions. That's when you'll see it's 2 people that don't even like each other that gang up together so that they can conquer the common enemy. Now, is he conquerable? I don't know. Anywho, Utata is doing a good work, but then now Mampo feels jealous about it and wants to sabotage as always. Umsizi goes back to Usiya and started screaming and shouting ukuthi ngithembisile ukuthi le mimoya izothula. But now nginomunye umoya ongivukele kakhulu and angikwazi ukucontrol. And then she asked what is it, and then she said uFaith. Faith knows everything and she's on my back and won't let go. Now he is probably expecting maybe a miracle or a genie to come out and help go to Faith Agatule, because Faith is like a barking dog. Iboni tambo. Agajigi. Now, on the other hand, Umsizi calls Ufaith and says she must go to the office. She will find an envelope. She must open it. And she did. She went there. She found an envelope. She opened it. It's like whatever that she saw puzzled her. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. And please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up. And Also, the most and far most important thing, guys, we do not post full episode videos here. I only do television review. Please, when you come to my comment section, just be kind and nice if you're asking, but I always put a disclaimer: we do only full episodes review. We do not post full episodes. Is not allowed, is against YouTube guideline policies. Ngicela bafethu kahle ngodlame.